Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I had some weird feeling that I needed to mix up shades of green. They're not normally my thing at all, but I'm trying them with different complementing colours that might make them pop. So what better journey to bring you on than this exploring of the green shades. Now I have this really muted avocado, I'm going to call it. So I'm going to start with coating my canvas with this. It is a little thick muted avocado, and I'm going to add, I've added my pouring medium and everything, but this is Australian Floetrol. So I'm actually thinning it really with the Australian Floetrol, and hopefully that it might give me some nice sort of cell action or cloudiness in this particular pour. So explore with me. Let's see how we go with this one. Haven't got it planned really. I'm just going to do it as I go and really hope that it turns out a beauty. So avocado green, I know a lot of the colours in at the moment here in Queensland are greens, real sap greens with, what do they call that sort of, it's like a browny earthy tone, like a clay colour. So these are the actual colours that there's lots of cushions and throws all here on the coast. They've gone away from the blues and they've gone into the greens. So, I just wanted to try and see what I could create of my own, because I was just noticing it, particularly today. I was out and about with a friend looking in some homeware stores to see what's the go at cushions, throws and doona covers, and there were all these kind of greens. So here we go, we're going to try it today. Why not, hey? Why not? Rightio, so I'm not gonna really complicate it with too many colours. So this is the sap green, and again, that's really quite thick, so I would like to use probably, I've got a bit of water here that did have a little bit of Floetrol left in the bottom of it. So I'll just use this water with it's literally got a little bit of Floetrol in the bottom of the container. So now I think I've made it too thin. I like to keep sort of chaos blows and things I'm going to work with on the thicker side rather than the thinner side. Get better results personally. So, well, that may be okay. So I am going to do a composition like this, I've decided. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go now to this. This was a light green and I added a lot of blue. So again, that's on the little thick side. So just add a little bit of the very watered down Floetrol, that is. You don't have to add this, it's just that I'm in Australia and Floetrol is expensive, but it's a lot, it's not as expensive as some European and US have to pay, so we can use it a little bit more. So this will be interesting to see if I absolutely dislike or I think, oh, that's quite nice. Right here, this was the sap green, but it was mixed with metallic silver, all on the thicker side. I think I must have had in, I must have had in mind when I mix these paints to do a dip, because that's the thickness that you really need a dip, is on the thicker side. So this has got silver in it, so it makes it this really beautiful metallic. It is a really lovely colour. It's metallic sap green, I guess. I'll put that in there. Now you really need, when I'm doing all similar shades, you really need something to make this pop. Now I have got a purple metallic. It was purple mixed with metallic silver, but I don't think I'm going to be that extreme, or shall I? But I think that the orange might make a real good statement here in this one. I think so. So I don't know whether to just try a bit maybe and see how we go. That's not going to work. Okay, let's try it here. Oh, that's quite thick too. I might just try that before I go any further. Being so I did say it was experimental, so try that. And then I think this is almost like a black navy. It was like, yeah, it was black mixed with phthalo blue. So it goes really dark. But if I really like this orange, I will go a little bit further with the orange. So let's try and see what this blows out like. Okay, just slowly. What do you think? What do you think of that? That's quite nice, isn't it? I'm not sure whether to add some down here, so I'll add some down here. I think it's quite nice. I like it. Please let me know if it's a yay or a nay. I mean, it's obviously not for everyone, but that looks quite nice, I think. I quite like that. I very much like that. So let's turn this all the way around so I've got a little bit easier time of it. Got it all next to me. See, that's quite nice. I really like it. So let's see if I like it with the dark better. Oh my goodness, I love it. I actually do love this. Maybe I should have put a little bit of spots of blue in there. Let me try it. I might completely ruin it. Let me try. Experiment. Love this. I do love that too. Which way should I go? I don't know, do I add the blue or leave it? I think that is really super, really super. I know that maybe many of you would just leave it exactly as it is. Let's do some tracing of the colour out and around. Just a little bit. Follow the pattern of one of the blowouts. It's actually quite a nice colour scheme, really. This is just a chopsticky thing. I do love that green and orange. I do like it very much. What do you guys think? Let me know. I know what I was going to add to it. I was going to add gold, but I think that's beautiful. I mean, that looks super as it is. I am very tempted. Oops, nearly kicking my camera over. Very tempted to, of course, put my my signature in there being in my balloon. This is so, I just think it's really lovely, soft, dreamy. Probably wish that I didn't do that, but it is what it is. I could scrape it off and just put the same colours back there that I had. I think because I didn't turn it facing me. But that is quite gorgeous all on its own. But what do you feel about it together like that? Please let me know your thoughts, and like I said, I'll have a think on whether I balloon kiss or not. So I am definitely going to try a few balloon kisses in it. I have to, it's my signature. It's what my art is known for. So just some little deflated balloon, just to add some, I'll do it lengthways, so it sort of adds a whole different appearance than if I put it straight down. That's beautiful, love it. I'm always so much happier when I've added my signature balloon kisses to a piece. I just really am. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. You can finish yours off exactly as you choose. But this avocado turned out, I think it's pretty cool. But this green and the blue I absolutely love. Absolutely love. Just when you push your balloon in, if you've got the right consistency, the balloon kisses will always turn out for you. But you can keep pushing into the same spot as long as you wipe off your balloon in between times, so you don't kind of end up with a muddy mess. Love it, love it, love it. Oh yes, I'm happy about that. Happy gents. I'm not happy about that, and I could scrape that big, but I'm not going to. I think that's perfect the way it is today. That was a little bit different for me, so I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you give it a go. Let me know. Okie doke. Just remember, people, if any of you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, there is always help out there. Maybe ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you guys, then ring a helpline, because there is certainly help out there for you. So take it easy until tomorrow. Bye for now.
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning.